Hello Skyhawks, this is Mr. Larkins. I hope you're doing well, staying safe. This is our first lesson about key signatures. Now, in order to understand key signatures, you need to know something about accidentals. And this whole lesson is dealing with understanding what they look like and how they function. Before we continue on, I'd like you to see if you can find that worksheet that is included with this lesson, download it, print it out, and when you've done that, resume this video. So pause now. Key signatures: sharps, flats, and naturals. Oh my! There are three symbols you need to be familiar with. The first one is the sharp, not to be confused with the hashtag, flat, and the natural. These three musical symbols change the pitch by 1/2 step. I'll show you what I'm talking about a little later on in this video. They're also known as accidentals. So whenever I use the word accidentals, I'm talking about the sharp, the flat, and the natural. The piano is arranged in half steps, going from one key to the next key, just like this. I'm playing half steps, going up. Now if I want to go down, I'm going down by half steps. Now, let's go to a note that many of you have seen before. It's called G, right here. Now, if I want to play G sharp, I go up by 1/2 step. Hear the difference? Now, let's go back to our G. Now, here's what G flat sounds like. It goes down by 1/2 step. Here's my G again. Now, let's listen to G natural. It's the same note. And the thing is that G natural means it's neither sharp nor flat. All right, for this next activity, as you watch the video, you're going to use your hand to show sharp, flat, and natural. Now, here's what we're going to do. If you see sharp, I want you to say sharp and then put your hand toward the top of your head. If you see the natural sign, say natural and put your hand about even with your ear or nose. And then, of course, flat, say flat and put your hand down by your chin. Let me demonstrate. All right, on this next activity, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the video, and as it changes from sharp to flat to natural, you're going to say the symbol name and you're going to show where it is using your hand. So let me give you an example. If you see a sharp, you're going to put your hand up here and say sharp. If you see a flat, put your hand just down below your chin and say flat. If it's a natural, put it right in the middle. Just get used to knowing that sharp means it's going to go up by 1/2 step. Flat means it's going to go down by 1/2 step. So good luck. And if you need to practice it a couple of times, go ahead and review the video. Ready? Begin. Now on your worksheet, what I'd like you to do is the last two activities start with simply practice drawing sharps, flats, and naturals. As it says on the worksheet, you're going to draw 5 of them. And at the very bottom, you see all the notes, and when you put in your sharp, if you see above the note it says F, that stands for right in a sharp, N, natural, F for flat. And remember to put the symbol right in front of the note. And if the note is on a space, try to put the largest part of the symbol on that same space. When you're done, if possible, scan it and send it in to me, or you can take a picture of it on your phone or whatever and send it to me by email. That probably will work easiest. My email address is at the bottom of the worksheet. And this concludes lesson number 1. I hope you're all doing well, and stay safe.